Jomablue CX empowers event organisers to deliver amazing arrival experiences with a powerful and user-friendly mobile app. Available for download from the iOS App Store, the Jomablue CX app combines advanced technology with intuitive features to deliver a streamlined and flexible check-in process. With both staff-managed and self-check-in options, Jomablue CX offers the flexibility and scalability to suit the requirements of every event. For staff-managed event check-in, Jomablue CX enables event teams to deliver a personalised and engaging experience, ensuring every guest feels welcomed and supported. Alternatively, the self-check-in option provides a fast and simple solution for attendees to check in independently, simplifying operations and providing a cost-effective alternative to staffed and kiosk event check-in solutions. Jomablue CX supports 3 flexible badging options to meet the needs of your event. Badgeless Check-In is suitable for events where name displays aren't required, such as staff training, networking drinks, or end-of-year celebrations. This streamlined option minimises costs and reduces waste while still offering a smooth and efficient check-in process. Name labels are printed on demand using Bluetooth-connected Brother printers, providing a quick and efficient solution for events that require basic identification. These labels are perfect for events like workshops, seminars, and casual gatherings where simplicity and speed are key. Lastly, for events requiring high-quality, custom-branded name badges, Jomablue CX integrates seamlessly with industry-standard Zebra printers and is ideal for events of all sizes. This option is perfect for conferences, trade shows, and large-scale corporate events, where a polished and professional appearance is essential. For event locations with poor internet and mobile connectivity, Jomablue CX can operate in offline mode, ensuring your event stays up and running, even in challenging conditions. Event data automatically syncs once a stable connection is re-established. Access real-time data on event day or export post-event for in-depth reporting capabilities, giving you the confidence to maximize ROI and attendee satisfaction. Whether you're organising a small networking session or a large multi-day conference or trade show, Jomablue CX provides the tools to manage check-in affordably and deliver a seamless experience straight from your fingertips. Visit jomablue.com today.